Hey, this is Matthias from Windsor.ai. Today I'll show you how you get LinkedIn ads data into Google Sheets. Let's get started. As a first step, you go to onboard.windsor.ai and then you connect LinkedIn ads, which you can find over here. Then you will need to grant access to LinkedIn ads by clicking the button here. Once you log in, you'll be redirected back here, and then your ad accounts show up in the dropdown here. You might have many of them. Today, I'm going to get Windsor.ai data over into Google Sheets, so I'm selecting this account. Now I can go into the data preview here, and then over here, you can see that LinkedIn will appear. Of course, I have a few more data sources here, which I have connected, but for this demo video, I'm just going to get the LinkedIn ads data over. So I get some data in the preview here. Here it's important that we only show data when there is spend and impressions and clicks present in the account. So now I have data. And then I click on Google Sheets. And the first time you do that, you need to install the Google Sheets add-on, which is over here. Once you installed it, you can find it over here under extensions. The first time you'll do that, you need to log in with the API key, which is provided down here. You just copy that over, you click on login, then you're able to see that option here, which is called Get Data into Sheet. I click that now, and then the sidebar will open. Now the sidebar is open. I can start building my query. It's quite similar to the query builder over here, as in we will need to give the query a name. I call it LinkedIn test. The target sheet name is sheet 1. I can now select the data source. I'm going to select LinkedIn. I may or may not select an account. Here it's important, like if you're an agency and you have 10, 20 different accounts and you only want to get one account, then you select it here, or 2 accounts, you select them here. In the absence of any selection, it will automatically pull data for all the connected accounts. Then we have date range. Over here, I'm going to select 28 days to get the last 28 days data over. I could apply filters, as in campaign name contains A, B, C, or D, which I'm going to skip. And then I can select a refresh, which is the schedule here, which we can do later. But now I just want to see if the query works. So I'm clicking on loading data. And then I should get these fields here pulled into the Google Sheet here. So the data is here. And now you can go in here and then you can select refresh interval and say, I would like to have that data refreshed every 2 hours. You click on save, and then the schedule is set up. And that's pretty much it. Now you're set up with LinkedIn ads and you have your data in Google Sheets and can start building your reports. Thanks very much for watching and enjoy working with our connectors.